Hello everyone, in this movie I'm going to show you how you can download and install Python in your computers. Here I have already launched a Google Chrome browser and Google page is visible. I'm going to directly type python.org. This is the Python website, official Python website. And from this website I'm going to point to downloads and then bring my mouse over this Windows link and I'm clicking on this. So it is listing the stable releases. Since I'm using Windows computer, I'm going to look for Python Windows compatible version of this installer. So here the first one is download Windows installer 64-bit. My computer is also 64-bit architecture based. So I'm going to give a click on this so that it will download the Python version, Windows version, specifically 64-bit version. So what 64-bit means, what 32-bit bits mean, I have already discussed these in the class when we met. So you can see in the right hand top corner the download has started already. So let us pause until the download is complete, and after that we will resume. So it shows the download is complete, and we will click on this down looking arrow and click on this folder icon so that it will bring me to the downloads folder of my computer. Let me right click on this downloaded Python installer file and click on run as administrator. So it prompts me to confirm to let it install. So this is the first screen you will see when you have this Python installer open. So it asks you install now, customize installation, use admin privileges when installing py.exe Python installer file. And I'm going to check this add Python exe to path. So we discussed about path, what path means in the class. So with that checkbox checked, I'm going to click on this install now link so that the installer will start installing Python in my PC. So it is installing. You can see the progress bar running here to indicate the completion rate, how much it's been completed. It shows the progress bar, green color bar shows. So it says Python was successfully installed in the computer, and I'm going to click on close button to close the installer. Now I'm going to click on this command prompt shortcut I have added to my taskbar. This will bring my command prompt to screen. If you don't find this command prompt, if you don't have these in the taskbar, what you can do is click on start menu and click type CMD so that you will get a command prompt. From this command prompt you can check whether the Python language has been successfully added to your computer, installed in your computer. I'm going to type Python Python space dash dash version version and press enter key. So it says Python 3.12.8 has been installed successfully. I'm going to go to this Python IDE. So this 3 angle bracket means you are inside the Python environment. I'm going to say print, let's say NA, my typical. So it successfully prints, displays. This is a print function, display function. So it works perfectly. So you can install Python in your computers using the steps I have shown you. Sometimes in your computer and depending on the setup or the settings of the PCs, there may be small differences while installing. No need to get intimidated. Complete the process and we will meet in another video. Thank you so much for watching.